Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make or create or insert a table into your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. Head over to presentation, and here at the top, guys, you will see the table button. You may customize it by clicking into the drop-down menu and choose the rows and columns for your table. So I will go with 5 by 7. And that is going to place your table. Now you can resize it, of course. You may, for instance, click into a cell to add content to the given cell. Then you may position the table, and that's basically it. Now, if you'd like to customize the table, you may click into more options here and choose, for example, number of columns and rows there for the new table. And as you can see now, I have added a second one. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.